shit. Told you, man. Yeah, she was hella nosy. Anyway, got my boy Fast Life Russ out here. He done brought the Mustang 5.0 2019 10-speed, right? Was it 2019 or 2018? 2019 GT Premium 10-speed. So he did get some exhaust work done on it. You see 5.0 exhaust work done on it. What is that? You said Xpipe, right?
Yeah, it's Xpipe.
Xpipe. So basically, what that does, that takes the place of the mids on this car right here. He still have the resonators on the back. He did just order some headers, so he got headers on the way. So definitely check his channel out. You already know. I'm gonna put it down right here, Fast Life Russ. So he basically trying to get some stock content in before he started doing even more mods. And plus, you know, these are the main cars, Mustangs, Challengers, and you know, he already got a Camaro. We already did a Camaro video, so we wanted to bring y'all the Mustang just to give you the comparison, because a lot of people got these cars that we got, and you know, people be on the fence of, oh, do I want mid, full, straight, resonator, delete, you know, Xpipe, you know, mid, delete, all that stuff. So we're just gonna give you a sound comparison. Like I said, this is 2019 GT Premium. He do got Xpipe, still got the resonators on, right? Muffler, so yeah, so you're gonna go ahead and start this car up, give it a couple revs, and the regular mode, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go regular, and then
yeah, we're gonna do 3 in regular, and then 3 in, what is it called?
I just do a track. People don't care about the loudest.
Yeah, okay, yeah, so we're just gonna do the track mode.
Normal or normal, we can do how it sounds like normal, like with the valves closed.
Yeah.
And then track mode.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Too, bruh. I don't need to cover my ears though. Alright, so there you have it. Couple of revs right there. I don't know, that Camaro he got, the Camaro's definitely louder than this car.
You think the Camaro's louder?
Camaro's definitely louder. And they got those pops in that, pops and shit like that. I don't know.
On the startup?
Yeah, startup, it was quiet as shit.
Yeah, well, no, like if I have it in track, you're going to start in track mode?
No, because you start up in regular.
Okay, yeah.
I heard it because that's how mine's going to start up. Yeah, but just when you start it up, it didn't seem that loud.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you start in track mode, it seems way louder than the Camaro.
I definitely heard when the valves opened, though. Yeah. I heard that switch. All right, you already got my key, right? Yep, so you heard those. Go ahead, crank this up. Just, hey, crank it up in regular, rev it 3 times, and switch it to track. All right, so that's it. Which one you think was louder?
I think this one.
Yeah, so pretty much, you know.
I have to hear it from the back too, but from the inside of the car, since you have your resonators and mufflers, it's only.
Yeah. Pretty sure this
wasn't. Pretty sure this was louder.
This wasn't.
You think it's louder?
I think this was louder. I'm not just saying because it's my car, but I mean, this wasn't too much of a which one's louder. Just showing you the different sound, and you know, just so you to hear the difference. So I just did mine. He about to do the same thing, but we also gonna do flybys. So we wanted to show you the, you know, just the idle and the revs, and then we're gonna do a couple of passes, you know, in regular mode, track mode, and both cars, and it's gonna be pretty much it. Hey, you hear that whistling noise, huh? With the intake?
That's the intake.
Yeah, that shit sound nice, huh? That shit sound nice as fuck, huh? Yeah.
I'm dead.
So what you think, man?
Man, why don't you use the paddle, bro? Why don't you start using those paddle shooters, bro?
That's what you was doing?
That's what I was doing. That's what I was, like, I don't know if you heard, like,
yeah, I heard the downshifts and shit, yeah.
Like, coming up, have it at, like, 3,000 RPM, just, like, let it off, you get the...
You think it sound loud inside?
Yeah, you can definitely hear it.
Yeah.
Like, Don 392, he has just a mid muffler delete, and his cabin does not sound...
Yeah, like that one?
It does not sound, that shit is way...
Yeah.
That shit is way...
Hey, don't that...
sure that shit sound like a demon me flying.
That shit was fucking loud, bro.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
And I heard, because look, I've never been outside my own car, so I never heard the intake, but I never heard it outside the car. I only hear it inside.
I heard it inside.
Yeah.
And it seems like more air is breathing through.
Yeah,
like,
it's crazy, because that tube, I'm telling you, man, it sounds nice as shit.
Yeah, bro.
But, hey, especially when you going slow, you tap it a little bit.
When I was driving, I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, you like that.
Pulling on the road.
You like that power, man.
Yeah, it is crazy.
So there you go, man. That was a quick flyby. Got a couple of flybys in the Scat, couple of flybys in the Mustang. Like I said, he got the Xpipe on the Mustang. It's a 2019. And on the Scatpack, we got the Scatpack. And that's pretty much it, man.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96.